Yeah, warm greetings to all of us out there. Like I did promise yesterday, because of the rapid development currently going on in the market, I did promise that I'm going to be keeping us on our toes because every decision that we'll be taking now should be a well informed decision and a well informed decision and should be based on facts. We will not be taking a decision based on sentiment or what the media is saying out there. We want to stay, want to stick to the facts that are on the charts. I did told us some days ago that the Fed will be coming out with some kind of news, and which they did yesterday. Is it yesterday or day before yesterday or so? About the interest rate hike, and they came out. With a new interest rate hike. Um, Not too surprisingly, because we were already expecting that the Fed is going to pivot on their interest hike, and that is what we saw. They came out with 75 basis points, and the market also reacted accordingly. We saw the volatility accordingly, but surprisingly, key levels were not broken. Key levels were still maintained. Now, these are facts that we have to pinpoint and pay attention to, because these are going to be the building block for our decision making, and also focus for possible scenario and where the market is headed to on a macro time frame, on a macro scale. Now, before us here is the chart of Bitcoin and the US dollar on the weekly time frame. For now, I'm really paying attention to the macro time frames. I'm paying very less attention to the micro time frames, because a lot of noise and distractions are there. Where we're going to get the clearer picture is going to be on the bigger time frame, so that we can stay focused. If you look at this chart critically, I map out the supply order block. I map out the demand order block. Now, there are a lot of confluence concerning this chart. I will not be bringing everything on the go at once. I will be breaking it down for us gradually. Now, if you look at this chart, look at this demand order block. If you observe, this demand order block has been serving as a demand zone for quite a very long time. Since we saw 17.5k, we have not seen it again. We have not seen 17.5k again. The worst that we have seen is being 18.2k. That is what we have seen. Now, right now, if you look at, we are having a round bottom on a weekly time scale. Typically, round bottoms are bullish patterns on any chart. If I take us to the dollar index right now, what we are going to see on the dollar index very conspicuously, we are going to see that the dollar index is having a round top, which is also what a bearish pattern. Now, remember, I think I will have to go to that chart of the dollar index, but let me open up this chart properly for us to see. And clearly, let me put us on a key data point. The key data point that we will have to keep our eyes on, though I'm not really paying attention to all of those things right now, because I am convinced. This is my opinion. I'm not giving you financial advice. Take note, but I'm what I'm telling you right now is based on facts, and the fact is a fact. You can't compromise it. Now, we look at where we are right now. For those of us that are scalping, 20,600. 20,600 is the key level that has been holding for some time now. 20,600, 20,400. Now, I don't care if it goes below 20,600, but what I will care about is how we are going to be closing the week. If we close the week below 20,600, that is why I will have some worries. But though our support of 19,800 and 19,500, which also have been proven to be solid, for the past, a month, is going to be another critical data point that we'll be keeping our eyes on. But for now, let me just tell us something. What has emerged is a very long trend. It's a big trend. That is what has emerged. For Bitcoin and the other alternate coins, we are going to see massive movement in the next month. in few months, we're going to see, the rapid change of prices that we are seeing currently now. These are not the values that we are going to be seeing in the next couple of months. So I'm just preparing us so that we don't miss out of these big moves that will be coming. This is, what you are seeing here. These red whiskers that you are seeing here, they are some critical indicators that have always shown to us from the 11 years of, more than 11 years of Bitcoin history. Whenever these red whiskers appear, it signals the bottom of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Now, I will be doing this for us on a a bigger interface so that we can really see a very clear picture of what I'm talking about. Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies are set for the next bull run. Simple and short. That is what we are talking about here. So this is time for us to lay our hands on those assets. I've been telling us this for a couple of months. Now, some of us have not been here before, have not experienced what a bull market is all about. Come, you can change your life with one bull market if you are strategically positioned. If you are well positioned, your life will never remain the same. After one bull market, it's just a matter of you positioning yourself on those assets that have intrinsic use cases, have fundamentals around them, solving real life problems. That settles it. All right, I think I will keep it simple here. The video is getting longer. I will do more analysis for us as time goes on. I will keeping us updated on our trade WhatsApp group on assets that we are to lay our eyes on. Remember to watch the video I dropped yesterday, very important video on the recent, fundraising that was done by the VCs for the new startups that are coming in. Some of them are going to consolidate properly because they are very powerful projects that have a lot to offer. All right, thank you very much. See you in my next update. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click on the notification icon, turn on the notification icon to all so that you can get our videos real time as we upload them. Bye for now. See you in my next update.